Hello, fourth graders. I hope everyone is doing great. Today, we're going to explore Lesson 1, How do engineers define problems? And let's begin with Exploration 1, What is technology? The learning objectives of this lesson first is to learn how to identify an engineering problem by asking questions about possible solutions based on constraints and criteria. And second one, to use the collected data to analyze list of needs and wants according to society and the natural world. First, let's define what is technology. Any idea, students? All right, technology is how humans change the natural world to meet a want or a need. In short, it is the use of knowledge to invent new devices or tools, like some examples here in the picture. And throughout history, technology has made people's lives easier. An engineering class is the process of designing new or improved technology, and engineers are the people who do engineering. Think about how each technology you see meets a want or need, and how did engineers play a role in the technology shown in the picture. Okay, so let's start with function or purpose. Okay, so this glass grade 4 is melted and formed. It might be made to reflect more light or let in a lot of light. It is then cut to correct size and put into frame, and then the frame and glass are engineered together so the glass doesn't fall out of the frame. Some windows are designed to keep the cold or hot air outside too, and other windows actually are designed to be more secure from breakage. Let's move on to integration. Some items grade 4, such as microwave ovens, have a team of engineers working together to make the finished product. Some engineers design the electric circuits, and other engineers design the body and mechanical parts, such as the way the door opens. And each engineer class works with the other engineers to make a microwave oven that pops a bag of popcorn, reheats leftover food, and more. Third one, we have form. Look at this cereal box on the table grade 4. This cereal box started out as a giant sheet of cardboard, and engineer uses a computer to design the size and shape of the box. The engineer also designs the way the box is made. The boxes are then cut out of the giant sheet of cardboard by large machines that cut and glue each box together. Each box grade 4 must hold a bag that contains a certain amount of cereal and fit inside a larger box that holds many boxes of cereal. Then, the larger boxes called cases are ready to ship to stores. Engineered. Now, students, open your science book on page 7 and let's solve question number 3. In the first column, you're going to write the name of 5 non-living things that you see in your classroom or at home that are engineered, meaning to say things that people design, invent, or create. And then in the other column, you're going to write the things that are not engineered, which is the opposite of engineered. All right? I can give you an example of engineer. Pencil. Actually, you can write a lot of things in the engineered column. And then in not engineered, I can say rocks. All right, so please complete this question. Look again. Now grade 4, let's solve question number 4. Look at the kitchen scene again and identify 3 more examples of technology in the problems they solve. And how do you know that these are examples of technology? Okay, so you can think several examples, but here are some possible answers. Okay, first, the paper towel holder, which is here, keeps roll in one place. And then the stove cooks food, and the sink faucet controls the water flow. And these are grade 4 examples of technology because they satisfy a want or a need. Okay, I have a follow-up question. What was the need or want for inventing a refrigerator? Very good. It is to keep food cold and safe to eat. All right, so let's proceed to the next slide. What is the problem? Now for question number 5, students, you need to view the image of the kitchen again. And after you have thought about the specific parts of technology in the kitchen, you need to pick 3 items or things in the kitchen that you think best meet a want or need. All right, so again, write the name of each item in the left-hand column and then write out the need or want that is met by the item in the right-hand column. So all you have to do, class, you need to identify how your chosen technologies are useful. All right? You have learned, students, that when a need or want is met, engineers have worked to meet the criteria. And when you see criteria, they are the desirable features of the solution. For example, you want rags that can soak up liquids. Okay, look at the picture here. It is a paper towel which is designed to be absorbent and strong so it can soak up liquids without ripping. And paper towel, students, were an improvement on rags. Paper towels meet a new criterion. When you say criterion, it is a singular form of criteria, okay? Meaning to say we're talking of one thing. Okay, so they are made to be thrown away and they still soak up liquids. All right, so we're going to continue the part of this lesson in next meeting. So that's for today, grade 4, and bye for now.